Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making air fried donuts with canned biscuits. So what we need is canned biscuits and then toppings for donuts. So I'm just going to use butter, sugar, and cinnamon for the topping. So now I'm going to start by opening canned Pillsbury biscuits. So just take the biscuit dough and just make a hole in the middle. So I'm just going to turn the biscuit into a donut. So just stretch the hole in the middle and shape it into a donut shape with your hands. So now let's open the air fryer basket and add the donuts to the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the biscuit donuts. Look at them, they look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let me take them out of the air fryer. So they're real soft. They're perfect. And now at this point, I'm going to add toppings. So I have butter. I melted a tablespoon of butter in the microwave while the air fryer is cooking. And I'm going to put cinnamon and sugar on a plate. So I'm going to use a quarter cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'll mix them together. So now I'm going to use a pastry brush to brush the donuts with melted butter. And I will dip them in cinnamon and sugar mixture. So just take a donut and dip. Looks delicious. Look at these donuts. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just show. Wow, look how soft, and the texture is amazing. Wow. Let's try it. They taste as good as they look. Amazing. Now for a pre-printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please go to my website, MelanieCooks.com, And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!